Hi there, everyone. This is Trudy and Burgie. Just checking in to let you know where we're at. We're really desperate with trying to get Burgie his surgery that he needs for this tumor that he has on his side. I took a few pictures to show you. Say, hey, Burgie. Good boy. He's a good boy. Anyway, he really needs a surgery, and we hope we can get some help out there. Thank you to everybody who's shared this and donated. We wouldn't know where we'd be without you, and I really mean that. Burgie used to live in a car with his previous owner, and I took him in. It was supposed to be short term, but it ended up not being so. So, anyway, say, hey, Burgie. Hey, little boy. Say, hey, little boy. I want to show you where the tumor is. It's right here. If I can get the right angle here. Say, hey, Burgie. Sit down a sec. Come on. Right here on his back. Can you see? I'm trying to see. Right here. Wait a minute. Here you go, little boy. Right here. Right here. If we can hold still. Come on, little boy. It's right here. Come on. Right here, honey. Right here. Right here. Right on his back. It's about the size of a golf ball. And he's not too happy about it. Let me see if I can put him down. Say, hey, Burgie, Burgie. And say, hey, Burgie. Let me change this to see if I can change it. Right here. Here's his tumor. Right here. See that, folks? It's about yay big. Right there. Say, hey, Berg. Hey, little boy. Say, hey. Say, I want my surgery, folks. I need it to save my life. Please donate. Please donate, Berg. I've got a tumor on my side. Anyway, thanks, folks. I appreciate it so much. We're all doing what we can. And it'd mean a lot if you can donate and pass it on to all your friends. Thanks again. See you soon. Bye.